Renault has made a notable entry into the D segment with its new 2024 Renault Rafale. This coupe SUV is a thrilling addition to the automaker's lineup, drawing inspiration from the body style that was once exclusive to the luxury market. Renault has had success with its compact Arkana and now takes it up a notch with the Rafale, which is larger and serves as a flagship for the company's new design language. The name Rafale is reminiscent of a racing plane from 1934, capturing the essence of speed and innovation. The exterior design of the 2024 Renault Rafale is striking and modern. It features a fresh front grille and new matrix LED light signature, which it shares with the facelifted 2024 Clio. This model is also available in an upscale Esprit Alpine trim. The Renault Rafale boasts a sleek profile with a sloping roofline that lends it a distinctive look, while also retaining a generous cargo capacity of 530 liters or 18.7 cubic feet, with the rear seats in place. Renault has made the decision to offer the Rafale exclusively as a 5-seater, ensuring that despite the coupe-like roofline, there is minimal rear headroom loss. The Rafale measures 4.71 meters in length and 1.86 meters in width. One of the standout features is its panoramic glass roof. This roof can switch between being fully opaque to fully transparent and has 2 additional settings, allowing for different configurations for the front and rear sections. The initial powertrain of the Rafale is a hybrid setup consisting of a turbocharged 1.2-liter 3-cylinder gasoline engine and 2 electric motors. The gasoline engine generates 130 horsepower and 205 newton-meters of torque, while the primary electric motor adds 70 horsepower and 205 newton-meters. A secondary electric motor acts as a starter generator producing 34 horsepower and 50 newton-meters. In total, this hybrid system delivers 200 horsepower. The Rafale stands out with its imposing stance thanks to wider axles and robust tires. It also introduces an evolution in Renault's rear-wheel steering, which has been engineered to enhance grip and cornering speed on uneven surfaces. In terms of aesthetics, the Rafale offers exclusive satin pearl white and alpine blue paint colors, the latter being an intense shade of blue. Inside, the 2024 Renault Rafale showcases a contemporary and well-equipped cabin. A 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster is paired with a 12-inch portrait-oriented touchscreen, resembling the setup in Renault's latest models, such as the Megane E-Tech Electric. The infotainment system, running on Android Automotive 12, supports wireless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Moreover, the Rafale offers a 9.3-inch head-up display, projecting information onto the windshield, enhancing driver convenience. Renault plans to introduce a more powerful plug-in hybrid variant of the Rafale at a later date, boasting 300 horsepower and an all-wheel drive system, courtesy of an electric motor at the rear. This version will also incorporate the updated rear-wheel steering and will feature model-specific chassis tuning. The name Rafale is not just a nod to a racing plane, but also carries an aeronautical essence and signifies wind in French. Renault has a historical connection with aviation, and the Rafale embodies this legacy with its design and performance. This vehicle is the first to be designed entirely in line with the new visual language introduced by Gilles Vidal, head of design Renault. The 2024 Renault Rafale isn't just about power and design, it also boasts cutting-edge connectivity and efficiency. The E-Tech full hybrid powertrain is both frugal and utilizes recycled materials. Renault has consistently worked on evolving its hybrid technology, chassis, and electronic equipment, and the Rafale is a manifestation of these advancements. Not compromising on the driving experience, the Rafale aims to provide driving pleasure without neglecting passenger comfort. With ample space and amenities, this car for life and living ensures that both driver and passengers enjoy an enriched experience. The Rafale is described as vibrant, offering an engaging driving experience that can be shared with friends or family. Scheduled to hit the market in spring 2024, the Renault Rafale is a significant milestone in Renault's strategic Renaulution plan. With its captivating design, hybrid powertrains, and passionate engineering, it showcases Renault's commitment to innovation and driving pleasure. It stands as a testament to Renault's aspiration to ascend in the market and cater to various customer segments. Fabrice Cambolive, the CEO of the Renault brand, stated that the all-new Rafale symbolizes Renault's move upmarket and is central to the Renaulution. Its unprecedented style, quality craftsmanship, and powerful presence on the road make it an epitome of Renault's new design language and DNA. The all-new Renault Rafale is set to be an influential representation of character and sophistication in the automotive world. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more car reviews and updates. See you in the next video.